Hi kids, Mrs. Elmi here, back with another video. Today, our task is to find out how to do short division, which is also known as bus stop method. So before we go ahead and answer our questions for today, first we must understand what these numbers are and what are they referred to or known as in school. So the number on the inside is known as the dividend. The number on the outside is known as the divisor. The number on the outside also tells us is the times tables that we're going to be using to help us answer this question. So we start off by asking ourselves how many 4s can go into the number 8. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So in that case, it's twice. So 2 times. Then we move on to the same number, the 4, to the number next. So how many 4s can go into the number 7? And that is 1 time. And I'll tell you why. Because we don't have a 7 in the 4 times tables. So we must go down to the nearest number that appears on the 4 times tables. However, we have not used the entire of this number. We've only used 4 out of our 7. So we must do 7, subtract 4, which gives us a 3. And that 3 needs to be placed right in the corner of the number 2. So our new number now is number 32. So same question. How many 4 can go into the number 32? And that is 8 times. See? Now, let's do another example. Our next question is using the 3 times tables with a completely different number. So, same steps as before. How many 3s can go into the number 4? And that is 1 time. However, we have not used the entire of this number. We've got 1 remainder. And remainder just means the part of the number that we have not used, and it will be placed in the corner of the next number. Our new number now is 12. So how many 3 can go into the number 12? And that is 4 times. Our next step and final step, how many 3 can go into the number 9? And that is 3 times. You can always do the inverse to double check if your answer is accurate. And I'll give you an example what I mean by that. So all you'll do is use your answer, which is the 143. You'll multiply that by your number on the outside, which is known as the divisor. Okay, and you'll just do the usual column method multiplication. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Leave the 2 behind, carry the 1 with you. 3 times 1 is 3. Add your 1, and that gives you a 4. So there we are. We're right back where we started. Hope this video helps. Remember, do some examples of your own at home just to get more practice. Thank you and have a good day.